Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be cleaning my room. It has gotten way too messy and I've been sick of seeing the mess on my floor. So today's the day I'm going to clean it. I know how hard it is to get started on cleaning, especially when you're not motivated at all. I mean, I wasn't really motivated to clean and I did it anyway. So I hope this helps you find motivation to clean up your space. And if it did, definitely subscribe to my channel for more motivation. So the first thing I like to do when I clean is to sort through my laundry. So I'm putting my dirty clothes inside the laundry basket and I'm just folding the clean clothes.
Say something, cause we don't talk about nothing no more. No, nothing. Do you not care about?
So I'm just putting away some of the clean clothes that need to be hung inside my closet. I'm gonna have to do a little closet clean out soon because the weather has gotten super cold out of nowhere and half of the stuff I can't wear in there anymore. So after that section was done, I decided to move to my dresser. So I'm just putting away everything that doesn't belong there.
Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like I've been working through this stuff, babe.
Little update for you guys. I'm still working on the dresser. I didn't finish because my camera died. And because my room is so messy, I just have no idea where my charger is. I bought a new one on Amazon and I bought extra batteries so I don't run into this issue anymore because this happens to me all the time.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's...
Do you guys have any ideas on how I could store my purses without hanging them? I thought about putting them in bins, but if I put them in bins and they're all like stacking on top of each other, then they would just get squished. I feel like there's a solution. I'm just not thinking of it right now.
She's forever wondering if it's gonna finish this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go.
So recently I found out that whenever you like candles, you're supposed to cut the wick. But when I cut the wick, I got some of the like wick particles on my counter. I was actually really scared that I ruined my dresser and it wasn't going to come out. But the Miss Meyer spray worked wonders.
You got in the end, but she's wondering.
I'm going to move on to the mess on the floor. A lot of this stuff is actually from my storage ottoman. So I really want to get rid of some stuff. I'm gonna watch a show while I do it to help keep me motivated because I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting a little tired, but I really want to. If I don't do the whole thing, I at least need to like finish the floor.
Get rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Get rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In love enough for anything. Emotional too soon. You got my invitation. Now the rest is up to you.
So last night after I went to the gym, I decided I didn't want to clean anymore. So it is day 2. I'm going to finish cleaning up this little strip, and then I'm going to put my sheets inside the wash so I can get started on that, and then move on to this next area and then my makeup counter.
Let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm Sunday, you love it, come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun.
All of the clothes on the chair were already clean and folded, though I had to refold them because they fell on the floor. But yeah, I'm just moving them to a different area so I can like easily fold them by my bed.
Be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night.
I usually don't wait this long to wash my sheets because I usually like washing my sheets as I clean, but I don't know, I guess I was just so focused on everything else. I just didn't wash my sheets. Honestly, it didn't matter anyway because I still had so much to do, so my sheets were gonna be done by the time I was done cleaning.
Be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could
Moving on to my makeup table. For some reason, this table is like the first thing that always gets messy whenever I am done cleaning my room. Like I just have so much trouble keeping this desk clean. But I'm just putting away things that need to go in my bathroom, and I'm putting away the makeup that's supposed to be inside my makeup drawer.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för dig, baby. För de här yardis.
Now that that's all done, I'm just wiping everything down with my glass cleaner.
Och det jag lägger av min tid, jag vill ha det. Du får mig känna safety. Jag kan nog leda, baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig. Kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig.
I had more clothes that I needed to fold and put away, so I'm just quickly folding them using the KonMari method, of course, because there's no other way to fold your clothes. And I'm hanging up the clothes that need to be hung.
talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my
an hour went by and my laundry was finally done. So I put my sheets inside the dryer, and then I decided that I was just too hungry to continue. So I made some tacos and watched a little bit of Gossip Girl. Probably wasn't the best decision because it was a little hard for me to go back to cleaning, but I knew I had to, so I only watched one episode. I'm thinking about getting some new bed sheets, so if you guys have any recommendations on your favorite bed sheets, please let me know.
We don't talk about nothing no more. Nothing. We don't talk about nothing no more.
Now I'm just vacuuming my floor. I didn't feel like sweeping. I'm using, I think it's called this Bissell vacuum. And I really like this vacuum. It works really well.
Feels like I've been doing way too much, babe. Feels like
And I'm also vacuuming the strip around my bed. I can't really vacuum under my bed because I have like storage under there. And once I finish vacuuming, I like to spray it with some Febreze because it makes my room smell amazing. Now I'm just using my Swiffer to completely dust my floors. I use the one that's a bit thicker for people who have pets. My dog doesn't really shed, but I like to use this one anyway because it picks up a lot more dust than the original one. I'm using my mini light because I had to turn off my big lights. They're just way too hot. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired and I'm sweating. I'm gonna have to take a nice long shower after this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was motivational. I was having a hard time keeping myself motivated today, but honestly, taking little breaks here and there really helped me to keep on going. So if you're struggling, maybe try that. That may help. It was a little hard to go back after watching Gossip Girl. I think watching like a show isn't the best idea on your break, but yeah. So if you like these types of videos and want to see more from me, definitely subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.